Good morning everybody, a bit chilly today but very sunny. Right, today we are going to explore the end cottage. Now I've not been in there with a torch and had a look round, so this will be a first for me as well. So yeah, I'm interested to share that with you, but before I do that I've got to finish this window off, so I'll get cracking on this and we're going to have a look inside that cottage. Excited. So while that's drying, let's go in that end cottage and have a look around. Excited. I can't open this door now. That wooden lintel inside must have dropped. Yeah, I knew it was precarious. Okay, we can't get in that door. Lucky enough we have two. Bit of a step, but now I can see why they've put this here. Let's just step up. Right, we're going in. Ooh. Okay, lucky enough I've got a torch. Okay. Right. Well, there's a snapped beam there, the purling, leaning up against the wall. That one snapped. What I was really interested in looking at was this fireplace. I've never come to this point with a torch before. Okay, we got there, horseshoe. Look at the size of the stones, they're huge. We've got a big timber there, looks like it's been cut off, so this would have projected right out into the room. I mean, above me is very dodgy looking, you can see collapsed ceiling. So we got nice half there. Come down to this part. Oh, yeah, that don't look too safe at all, does it? Okay. Well, that's interesting. Look like there's a window in that front bit there. Is that a repair? I know there's a window the other side of that. Not that you can see it inside. That's interesting. There's no stone lintel there. Wow, look at the size of that. That is ancient. Really nice hand carved corner edge to that one and to that one. Okay, there's the iron grill for the window. Just trying to assess the stonework in here. It looks interesting, don't it? Don't look very secure, but it has got a metal prop there. So that's the back wall where I put the membrane, and this point here is the other side of the cottage chimney. So what we got here? So that big stone there, that's what sticks out above the fireplace in the cottage. This is going to make a fantastic project. Wow. Right, okay, I'm not going to push my luck. I'm going to get out of here. So there's snapped timbers everywhere. So we'll have one last look upstairs. What condition the roof's in. What's that up there? like a wooden lintel. Now, I can't see that, so I'm going to go and get myself a little ladder. See what sort of configuration we've got for this chimney, because obviously there would have been stonework going up and above, which is gone. I wonder if there's a fireplace on the upper level. Let's go and get a ladder. So I'm just going to find myself a little ladder and have a look up there, because on the outside there's no chimney stack at all. It's been taken down. Let's just show you that so you can get your bearings with it. The fireplace is in the end wall here, and to the left inside, which is to the right out here, showing a window there. You've got a wooden lintel going through, so there will be an opening inside. They're the projecting stones for the fireplace which hold the timbers. So it doesn't appear to be any sticking out up there for an upstairs fireplace, but sometimes they didn't always have that. So I'm going to get some ladders, I'm going to go in, I'm going to have a look up there. Like I say, I have not seen above that level in the 12 years I've been here, so I know it's a long time. I don't know how I've managed not to look in there, but there you go. Right, ladders. There we go. Oh wow. Let's just climb up a bit more. Oh. Okay. So, I think what they've done, they've put a cross piece at the top of timber to support the opening. Removed all the stonework. Okay. Right, let's just assess the timbers. They don't look too bad this side. No, not bad at all. Bit of worm here and there, but woodworm, something that can't be treated. And that to me looks like, that's the cottage one I'm renovating. That looks like an exterior wall, which always was. So it's very, very hard to date these buildings. Right, it's leaning. They didn't always put them in straight, that's for sure. But that has definitely snapped. So it's just a case of ripping out this middle floor, which shouldn't be too hard actually. Tie a rope underneath, just pull it out. And then we've got ourselves a blank canvas. A little bit of repair work there, but you know, I'm quite surprised with the timber work. This hasn't been done that long ago. At least I know what I'm dealing with now with the chimney breast. It's just not there. Right, let's get back down the ladder. You definitely feel like you've been transported back several hundreds of years, you know. Really get the atmosphere when you're here. Nothing much has changed in here. Quite some time, apart from me putting me architectural bits and pieces in here. Okay, right, don't want to outstay my welcome. Hang on, what's that? That's another timber there, looks like an A-frame. Yeah, I wonder if there was an A-frame there and then they put that dormer in. Okay, yeah, that's for another day. Right, let's get back outside. Well, that was interesting. Yeah, I didn't know what was actually going on with the chimney breast above that level. I knew down below it had been deconstructed. obviously that to take it down from above, but just intrigued to see where it went through the roof line. Now I know. What a fascinating property. Still got plenty of secrets to be found in there, I dare say, but it really felt like I was stepping back in time in there. Right, talking of time, let's get back in this cottage. Okay, right, here's what we're doing. Oh, it's rather windy up there. Right, here's what we're doing. Now this area here, as we've previously discussed, has got to be reinforced. So I've got some purlins, which are the cross pieces. I've got to figure out the best way to insert them, especially up the top, because that part of the wall is the chimney breast itself, so there's a cavity in there that I don't want to break into. So if I was to come above with this new purlin, I don't think I'd be able to keep the window heights the same, so I'm now looking at maybe going underneath. I mean, in all fairness, this isn't too bad, this purlin, but I just wanted to, you know, while I'm at this stage, wanted to reinforce it a little bit, sort of future proof it. So I might have to come underneath this one into that end. The wall, the other end, is a bit precarious, so I don't want to start disturbing stonework. Let me show you. So this end isn't too clever. You know, where the purlins go into the wall, I don't really want to disturb the stonework because the roof isn't that secure above my head, so don't want to start knocking it about too much. So it's back to the drawing board with that one. Put that on hold for a moment. I think I've got a few ideas. So because there's going to be a bit of banging about, I think I'm going to start in that section up there and just put some temporary props and bits of timber in there just to hold the structure there. I don't want nothing coming down on me. But before I proceed any further, I'm going to put a support up on that section across there and brace it from that side there, so I'm working in a safe environment. Safety first. So here's the plan. We come off of that timber there, so make it as simple as that. I'll put some fixings in it, and that way it can't come in on me when I'm disturbing the timbers down below. Okay, right. Yeah, let's get some fixings. A little bird. Sorry, birdie. Okay, that's that half done. Now for that one. like that. Oop. Okay, right, I'm just overreaching a little bit here, which is not ideal, but I've got the chimney breast tapering out at the bottom. Okay, right, let's move a little closer somehow. Well, that's braced it anyway. Okay, right, now I can safely work below it. So, okay, back to the rafters. Now, I'll measure off a metre. So, a new rafter will come across here. We'll double it up. That's coming out, and that one's staying in. So, I'm going to put additional rafters this side. Nothing in this area yet, and then get some in there. Try and get this area secured a bit more. Now I've been thinking of quite a few options with the purling and supporting it at the end where it goes into the stone. I don't really want to be disturbing that stonework because it's very precarious at the moment. I may even run underneath it across the wall. Let me show you what I'm thinking of. I may even run a big timber up here. All this side of the wall is all going to be built in with a timber framework anyway, so I might incorporate this to pick up the new beams and the old ones, so that way I won't have to disturb that very fragile wall with fixings or removing them to run the purlins into it. So yeah, that's an idea. Don't need to do it just yet. So be sure to join me next time when I try and get my head around this conundrum. Bye for now, thanks for watching.